Hedgehog and the Rain. In a lush and serene forest, nestled between towering trees and blooming flowers, lived a solitary hedgehog named Hazel. Hazel was known throughout the forest for her prickly exterior, but her heart was as warm as the sun that filtered through the leaves. She spent her days exploring the forest, finding solace in the peaceful sounds of nature. One cloudy morning, as Hazel was wandering through the undergrowth, she noticed the air changing. A soft drizzle began to fall from the sky. Startled, Hazel curled into a tight ball to shield herself from the rain. She had always been wary of new experiences, especially ones that could disrupt her routine. As the rain continued to fall, Hazel watched from her protective ball as the forest transformed. The leaves glistened with droplets, and the ground seemed to come alive with a fresh, earthy scent. Curious and a bit hesitant, Hazel cautiously uncurled herself and stepped out into the rain. The raindrops felt cool and refreshing on her spines, and Hazel couldn't help but marvel at the beauty of the world around her. The forest seemed to come alive in the rain, with the plants swaying gently and the animals finding their own ways to enjoy the wet weather. As Hazel explored further, she noticed a family of frogs hopping and splashing in a puddle. Their joyful laughter echoed through the forest, and Hazel found herself smiling. She continued on her journey, now more open to the wonders of the rain. In a clearing, Hazel encountered a group of birds perched on a branch, their feathers fluffed up against the rain. They sang a melodious tune that seemed to celebrate the rain's arrival. Hazel listened, mesmerized by their song. As the rain began to ease, Hazel felt a sense of contentment she had never experienced before. She realized that she had been missing out on the beauty and joy that new experiences could bring. With newfound courage, she allowed herself to dance in the remaining raindrops, embracing the sensation of the water against her spines. From that day on, whenever the rain graced the forest, Hazel eagerly ventured outside. She would join the frogs in their puddle, listen to the bird songs, and let the raindrops wash away her worries. She had discovered that even though stepping out of her comfort zone could be intimidating, it could also lead to some of life's most beautiful moments. And so, the hedgehog who had once feared the rain became its most enthusiastic dancer, teaching the forest that sometimes the most extraordinary experiences can be found just beyond our familiar boundaries.